Huawei Pura X2 is starting to reveal something bigger than just a new device. It's quietly signaling a major shift in how foldable smartphones are about to evolve. Recent design leaks around Huawei's upcoming foldable lineup quietly reveal that the company is not just iterating, but rethinking the entire experience. And this shift doesn't exist in isolation. It seems to trace back to growing reports around Apple's rumored iPhone Ultra, which has been repeatedly mentioned as a catalyst pushing the foldable market toward a wider, more immersive format. Huawei, however, isn't waiting to react. Reports suggest the company is preparing two separate devices under the Pura branding. The first is the expected successor, likely called the Pura X2, building directly on the foundation of the original Pura X. But the second device is where things start to get more ambitious. This isn't just a continuation, it's a redesign with a clear focus on a landscape-first experience. But the second device is where things start to get more ambitious. This isn't just a continuation, it's a redesign with a clear focus on a landscape-first experience. Instead of the traditional vertical fold seen in most current foldables, Huawei appears to be moving toward a horizontal orientation that prioritizes width over height. This design choice changes how the device feels the moment it's unfolded. Rather than resembling a tall phone stretched open, it starts to behave more like a compact tablet. According to the latest details from circulating leaks, the inner display could measure around 7.5 inches. That places it noticeably above the original Pura X, while sitting just slightly below what is being rumored for Apple's foldable ambitions. That positioning alone suggests Huawei is aiming directly at the next phase of premium foldables rather than playing it safe. Even smaller design elements reflect this broader shift. Both the inner and outer displays are expected to include punch-hole cameras, carefully positioned to align with the new horizontal layout. It may seem minor at first, but it signals a deeper redesign philosophy. These aren't just recycled components placed into a new shell, they are being arranged to support a completely different way of using the device. What makes this more interesting is how quickly the industry appears to be aligning in the same direction. Shortly after leaks surrounding the iPhone Ultra began circulating, reports indicated that not only Huawei but also Samsung had started exploring similar wide-format foldable designs. The timing feels too close to ignore. It suggests that major players are preparing for a potential shift in user preference, almost as if no one wants to risk being late if this new form factor gains traction. The success of the original Pura X, particularly in Huawei's home market, adds weight to this strategy. It showed that users are willing to adopt unconventional designs if they offer a practical advantage. A wider foldable, if executed properly, could deliver a more natural experience for multitasking, media consumption, and even productivity. That's the promise driving this transition. Still, the concept isn't without its compromises. The outer display, which remains smaller compared to standard smartphones, could continue to feel limiting in everyday use. It raises questions about how often users would need to unfold the device just to perform simple tasks. Whether this becomes the new standard or another transitional phase is still uncertain, but the direction is becoming harder to ignore with each new leak. As for timing, if Huawei follows its usual cycle, the Pura X2 and its wide-folding companion could arrive sometime in 2026, with pricing expected to sit firmly in the premium range, likely competing directly with flagship foldables from Samsung and Apple. Exact figures remain unclear, but expectations point toward a high-end positioning. That's everything for now. See you in the next one.